MJ Lasimos here, Miss Universe Philippines 2014. Hello po sa lahat ng mga taga-Sash Factor, MJ All The Way, my MJ All The Way family. Sobrang nagpapasalamat ako sa suporta na ibinigay niyo. 3 years, sobrang hindi kayo nag-give up sa akin. And eto na, 2 araw na lang. So, wag na po tayo mag-away-away. Let's all spread the positivity and magandang energy lang yung i-share natin kasi yun yung pinakakailangan more than anything else. Let's not be negative about, the things that are out of our control. So, let it be na. Bigay na lang, ipaubayan na lang natin lahat kay God. Kasi at the end of the day, isa lang naman yung goal natin na maipanalo yung corona, di ba? So, ayun, magmahalan tayo at, let's create a friendship. Kasi kayo mga fans, makakabuild din kayo ng friendship na maglalast forever. Kasi isa lang naman yung passion nyo, yung love you for Miss Universe and the pageant. Love you guys.
We love you too, MJ. We love you.
It wouldn't be bad, And every rehearsal nandyan siya talagang kahit ginagamit niya yung kanyang binoculars just to see us on stage kasi malayo sila. Sobrang she's really, tinututukan niya ako para to just let me know na this is the things that you should do and not do. So, I don't want to be negative at this point kasi I want to hold on to the idea na I really have a chance. I really have that chance to bring home the crown. So, sana po, support na lang yung kailangan namin. Sana, for 3 days, huwag tayo be negative. Yun lang yung request ko sa lahat. Thank you.
MJ, kayang-kaya mo yan.
Kaya ko to.
Bagay na yung blue.
I know. Thank you. Sana.
Good luck.
Thank you so much.